Hello students, let us continue the session on linear equation in one variable. In the previous session, we had solved 5 questions. Let's begin with 6th question onwards. The 6th question here is 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? First, we need to understand the meaning of consecutive integers. If you consider the integer as say 10, 11, 12, they are the consecutive integers with respect to 10. Or 9, 8, they are the consecutive integers with respect to 10. So the best way is we can consider the consecutive integers to be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let me write, let the 3 consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to the question, the sum of these 3 consecutive integers, that is x, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, is 51. Let's add them. X added to x added to x is 3x plus 3 equal to 51. Let us transpose the number 3 to the right hand side. We get 51 minus 3. 51 minus 3 is 48. So 3x is equal to 48. Now we divide both the side of the equation by 3. We get 48 by 3, which is 16. Therefore, the integers are x is 16, x plus 1 is 17, x plus 2 is 18. Question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. If I consider the first multiple as 8x, the next multiple will be 8 times of x plus 1, isn't it? So we can consider the 3 consecutive multiples of 8b, 8x, 8 times of x plus 1, 8 times of x plus 2. According to the question, the sum 8x added to 8 times of x plus 1 added to 8 times of x plus 2 is 888. Now this equation is to be simplified. Let's multiply this. It becomes 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 equal to 888. 8x added to 8x added to 8x is together 24x plus 8 plus 16 is also 24 equal to 888. Now 24x will be equal to 888 minus 24 by transposing 24 to the right hand side. Therefore 24x will be equal to 864. Therefore x value is 864 upon 24. Simplify. Upon simplification, we get x value as 36. Therefore, the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 are, first one is 8x, which is 8 times of 36, multiply, we get the product as 288. 8 times of x plus 1, which is 8 times of 36 plus 1 is 37, which is 296. 8 times of x plus 2 is 8 times of 38. We get it as 304. Eighth question. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. We have learned to take the consecutive integers as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let's write, let the 3 consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to the question, the first consecutive integer is multiplied by 2, the second consecutive integer is multiplied by 3, the third consecutive integer is multiplied by 4, and they add up to 74. So we need to find the sum of these. Two x plus 3 times of x is 3x, plus 3 multiplied 1 is 3. Distributive property I am using. 4x plus 8 equal to 74. This implies 2x added to 3x added to 4x, which is 9x, plus 8 plus 3 is 11 equal to 74. This implies 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. The positive 11 is transposed. Therefore 9x is 63. Now divide both the side of the equation by 9. You get 63 upon 9, which is 7. So x value is 7. Thus the numbers are x7, x plus 1 is 8, x plus 2 is 9. Question 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? As I discussed in the previous session, whenever ratio is given, we'll consider in terms of x. So with that logic, let the ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. Therefore, 4 years later, age of Rahul will be 5x plus 4 and age of Harun will be 7x plus 4. As per the given question, 4 years later, sum of their ages is 56. So according to the question, we have sum of their ages 5x plus 4 added to 7x plus 4 is 56. 5x added to 7x is 12x. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is equal to 56. So 8 is transposed to the right hand side. We get 56 minus 8, which is 48. So 12x is 48. Therefore, the value of x is 48 upon 12. On dividing both sides by 12, we get 4 as the value of x. Now, with the value of x, we can find out the present ages. Therefore, the present age of Rahul is 5x, which is 5 times 4, 20 years. And present age of Harun is 7x, which is 7 times 4, 28 years. Question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Since they have given the ratio as 7:5, we can consider in terms of x. So let the number of boys be 7x and number of girls be 5x. According to the question, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls, so it is 5x plus 8. Let's simplify this equation. 7x minus 5x is equal to 8 by transposing this positive 5x to left hand side. This implies 2x is equal to 8 and the value of x is 8 by 2, which is 4. Therefore, number of boys will be equal to 7 times of 4, which is 28, and the number of girls is 5x, 5 times 4, which is 20. Therefore, the total number of students is 20 plus 28, which is 48. Question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three are 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Let me consider the age of Baichung's father to be x, hence grandfather's age will be 26 plus x and Baichung's age will be x minus 29 because 29 years older than Baichung. So 29 should be subtracted from father's age to get Baichung's age. So let me write it here. Let the age of Baichung's father be x, then the age of Baichung's grandfather will be x plus 26 because Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather, and also Baichung will be x minus 29. Now, as per the given question, according to the question, sum of their ages x plus 26 plus x minus 29 will be equal to 135. Let us simplify this equation. We get 3x added to 26 minus 29 is 135. This implies 3x minus 3 equal to 135. This implies 3x as 135 plus 3. Therefore, x value is 138 by 3, which is 46. So we can find the ages. Age of Baichung's father. Baichung's father is 46 years. Baichung's grandfather is 46 to be added to 26, 72. And Baichung's age is 46 minus 29, which is 17. Question 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Let me consider the present age of Ravi bx. So according to the question, 15 years from now, his age is x plus 15. This will be 4 times his present age. This is according to the question. This implies that 15 will be equal to 4x minus x. By transposing x to the right hand side, we get 3x as 15. Now divide both the side of the equation by 3. We get 15 by 3, which is 5. Therefore, the present age of Ravi is 5 years. Question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get 7 by 12. What is the number? It's a very simple question. Let me consider the rational number to be x. Let the rational number be x. According to the question, when the number is multiplied by 5 by 2 and the result is added with 2 by 3, you get negative 7 by 12. So on simplification, we get 5x by 2 equal to negative 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3, because transposing positive 2 by 3 to the right hand side. The LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. So negative 7 minus 8, we get it as negative 15. This implies 5 by 2 x will be equal to negative 15 by 12. Now we find the value of x by dividing both the sides of the equation by 5 by 2. So we need to multiply this particular 15 by 12 with the reciprocal 2 by 5. 5 3 times, 2 6 times, 3 2 times. We get it as negative 1 by 2. Therefore, the given rational number is minus 1 by 2. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take up the remaining questions in the next session. Thank you.